Evening, Marcus here, back again with another video, back again with the Not an Oculus Go video. But in this one, I had something delivered today for work. So if you didn't know, I do 360-degree video and photography for a living. It's kind of a new thing, but I've been holding out for this microphone for a while. So this is a Ambisonic microphone made by Zoom. So if you don't know Zoom, they make a lot of microphones and kind of tried and trusted throughout the industry for many years. So 360-degree VR audio recorder, all-in-one Ambisonic recorder and decoder. So this is kind of like an all-in-one thing. You don't need sort of a separate sort of box or decoder or amp or anything like that. You do it all in here. You stick it on your 360-degree camera. So I've got the Insta360 Pro 2. This will sit perfectly on top of that. What else we've got on the side? Zoom, we're for creators. So let's have a look. Features at a glance. 4-capsule Ambisonic microphone. Onboard Ambisonic's A and B conversion. Stereo binaural recording, up to 24-bit 96 kHz recording, auto mic position detection, and Ambisonic playback. Includes a few things there. We'll go through the box and have a look. Here's a Zoom H2N microphone, which I have been using, and I've had no issues with it. It does the same sort of thing, but I kind of wanted something a bit nicer. This costs a lot more, so this is about £115 if you want to buy the Zoom H2N. But this one is about £350, and if you want Bluetooth, you need the little Bluetooth adapter, which is probably about another 50 quid as well, which is here. So I have that as well, and I have the wind mic, which is the same one which works on here, will work on here. So that's cool. So nice fluffy mic. But let's crack open this bad boy. Let's not make it a long one. Let's make it a nice short one for you guys. Actually, some of you guys are probably not interested in this. Let's whistle through it. But I thought, as there are no real videos out about it, why not? Let's do a quick unboxing. So it comes in this sort of packaging like that. You've got some literature there, so your handy recorder guide and your what's included guide and a bit of paper. Yep, so there we go. We'll put that to one side, and then we'll just take off this front plastic here. And you does come with a normal sort of wind jammer, so a wind shield, so your normal sort of foam variety, which will do the job for the most part, which is quite nice to have that. I didn't realise that came with it. It takes 2 AA batteries, so alkaline batteries. It comes with a couple of those, which is nice. And it also comes with this bracket, which I didn't know it come with this either, so this is pretty cool. So you can kind of see this bracket here. You can put the microphone or the camera, whichever way around you want it, on this, either side. It's got a screw point on either side. And then you can attach like a tripod or a handheld bit or something on the other side, so you sort of run and gun with the microphone. Very handy, very handy. I'm very pleased they've included that. That's very nice. So here we go. Here's the Zoom H3-VR. As you can see, where it sort of says it's 4 capsules, it's got 4 microphones on the very top, sort of pointing in different directions to kind of capture 360 sound. So if you didn't know what that means kind of like sound as in 360-degree video. When you're watching it, whichever way you look, the sound changes depending on where you look, and that's what this microphone does. It captures sound all around it, and then when you sync it up with your 360-degree video, when you move around or you look around in the 360-degree video, sort of the focus will change. So if something's going on behind the camera and you turn around to look at it, that sound gets louder. You turn around to look this way, this sound gets louder, that sort of thing. So it's that, and it's perfectly shaped to kind of sit on a 360 camera in the shape that it is. It's got a little tripod mount there. So the Pro 2, which I use, has got a little tripod mount on the top, so that's ideal and perfect. I'll slot that straight in. Takes the batteries in here. There you go, that just clips off, and the metal tripod mount is still there. So the batteries go in there. It's got the power button, everything on the front here. It's got one of those kind of hold buttons, which is quite nice. Always so you know it's not going to accidentally be pressed. And then there's your kind of buttons, main buttons on there. There's your record button, which is very similar to the H2N sort of record button that it has. Sort of like a little flappy lip type button. On the side you have volume, because you can put your headphones in. On the back you have nothing. On this side you have line out. So line out for this one will be straight through to the Pro 2. So the Pro 2 has a line in jack on the top of it as well. So perfect. So that's going to go straight into there. It can run on your USB power, and that's where you can kind of put it in for USB connection as well, if you want to sort of access your memory card, that sort of thing. And then there's your gain control as well. So you can listen to it through there, play with your gain through there, unplug it, walk away, do whatever you want to do. And the Bluetooth adapter allows you to control it remotely, which is cool. And that goes in down here. So if you pull this little bit out here, the little Bluetooth adapter slots in there. Actually, should we put that in? I'll put that in because I'm going to need it in there. Once it's in there, it's going to stay in there. I'm not going to remove it. Let's quickly get this out of the packet. I'll say this is an expensive little bit of Bluetooth adapter. Surprising this wasn't just included as part of a feature, but there you go. So let's have a look. This goes in, do we think this way? Yep, there we go. And then it's in. And then this plastic bit, I guess, doesn't go back on again. Yes, the plastic bit doesn't go back on once you've got the Bluetooth adapter in there. Well, that's fine. That's not coming out easy. It's shut all the way over here. There, it does have a little lip on it to get out if you do need to get out. But I think that'll probably live in there, to be fair. It's not going to go anywhere. Let's pop the batteries in so we can kind of just at least see it boot up. Oh, and just so you can see, that's where the memory card goes in, which I don't have a memory card with me. Can I easily get this one out here? Where's the memory card on this? Zoom. Oh, it's down here. Oh, this Zoom takes a full SD card, doesn't it? Oh no, look, there you go. It's got this one's got the micro SD card in it. So I can pull that out. Also a ticket card in there. There's only a baby card in there. And then I should be able to just pop that straight in. Oh, that way. Clicks in, perfect. And then that on there. Oh, and I missed. Let's try again. There we go, nice and secure. And then it should just be power on. SD card access. And then go through all the sort of setups. So it comes with this little sort of wind jammer. You can just squeeze that in there. Let's see if I can get it on with one hand, which I should be able to do because, you know, it's kind of made for that. And it's nice and tight, so it should keep a lot of wind out. How far does it go down? Oh, so it goes right down on it. So it covers, there's no sort of, well, I still could probably get a little bit of wind up there, but that's fine. But I do have the furry version, which is better, which is superior. But this is kind of like the generic version that you can buy for a lot of the different microphones. So you can stick that on. You pull the cord tight at the back. The little sort of zip, not zip, but a sort of pull cord. That puts it on nice and tight all the way around the microphone. Make sure it kind of goes down as far as you can. And there he is with his fluffy hair on. There's the Zoom H3-VR. Very smart. So let me know in the comments down below if you're interested in this sort of thing. Do you want to see sort of a comparison, maybe a comparison between these two? I do know Creator Up has already put a comparison video of these two microphones and the Pro 2 sort of Ambisonic sound comparison sort of thing. So if you want to go check that out, I'll put a link to that down below as well anyway. But if you just wanted an unboxing, there it is. If you want me to do anything, you want me to test anything, let me know in the comments down below. I'll try and answer what I can. I'm pretty active in my comments, so I will be there. So give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thumbs down if you didn't. That's fine. I'm big enough and ugly enough to take it if you didn't like it. But do let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it. I'll try to do better for next time. Become one of the remarkables. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when I next upload a video. And that's me done. Have a Ambisonic high five.